Alright, you guys, so this is still kind of day one because we kind of, yeah, let's go upstairs and see what we looking like. Only been up here a couple times, so. Here we go. We got the first half of the carpet in right now. We're getting the other part up. But yeah, once we get everything in here, you guys are gonna see the final product. You guys are gonna like it. I promise you that. See you later. I'm not gonna do the outro because the video's not over yet. Yeah, so we got this half to go right in here. This half to go, and we have this little corner area right here. And then we'll be done with the carpet part. You know, we gotta put in all the doorknobs we took out and the thing, but that ain't nothing, bro. That's nothing. You guys, I'm still not gonna do the outro because yeah, the video ain't over yet. Alright, you guys, so I'm updating you. The last time we saw each other, you know, I was telling you that we needed to put this piece down, which is right here, and that piece down. So can you explain what was going on right now?
Oh yeah, we putting this carpet down there, and his brother is pulling out the slack in the carpet and what they call it, tucking the ridge of the carpet.
Yeah, so have you guys ever seen was it a carpet iron?
Yeah.
Have you guys ever seen a carpet iron before? This is new to me. I've never seen a carpet iron before. This is what it looks like, just like you think it would look.
You might be able to get all of it up under that. If not, just cut it off.
What y'all?
You can cut it off now.
Over here watching Flight.
Cut it off now. Yeah, you can. I don't want to cut too much. Yeah,
One second.
it ain't going to. It ain't going to.
Over here watching Flight right now. But yeah, you guys almost finished. Y'all, this is insane for the OGs that have been on this channel since what, 2017, I think. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, 2017. For those that know about this room, you know. Hey Rob, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yes, sir. Y'all comment down below. It is what it is. Comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, this is surreal. For the people that have been to my house or the people that have watched my channel, like I said, since 2017 or even recently, you guys know. Look at this, man. This is insane. There's nothing over here anymore, except for the AC, which is coming out. Eventually. Not right now. Eventually. But, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so everything is... I didn't know that TV stuck out like that until recently. Like yesterday. But guys, part 1 and 2 are up. This is obviously part 3. We've done lots of stuff today.
That's good.
A lot of stuff yesterday.
That's what it is.
A lot of stuff earlier today, earlier this morning. A little bit of stuff yesterday. That's all in day one. Go check out what happened in day one. That's a long video y'all gotta sit through. What's going on, guys? We are pretty much done. We'll show you what we got right here. We got the Messi poster right here, the Universal title, the PS4, the Cruiserweight title, the Spectrum box, you know what I'm saying? We got the other TV with all the vintage games on it on this side. We even have a vintage Hulk Hogan and a vintage Randy Orton. So this is where the PlayStation 2, Xbox 360 will be on this TV. And then whatever systems I get for this TV, for this setup, will go on this TV. And shout out to Flight Reacts. Shout out to Flight right now. Even though sometimes you be tripping, my bro. But let's get over here. Over here we have my mask. We have the Tiger mask, the Scar mask. I call this one quarter size. Chucky, the Fiend. I have a little Demon Finn Balor right here. Sting, Black Panther, Bam Bam, Willow, and then the collector's edition right here. Got my laptop right here. This is my little editing setup. This is stuff that I'm gonna put up somewhere. I'm not sure where yet. Yeah, that's it for right now. Let's fast forward this into a time lapse, because I think that's where we're going from here. All right, guys. Let's go. Y'all following me today. Let's go.